So if you have acne scars, don't worry, we have solutions. And it really depends on the kind of scar you have, and then we can find the right solution. Some patients just have like hyperpigmentation or persistent redness, and they respond very nicely to pigment reducing lasers or lasers that help with redness overall. And it is going to help stimulate your collagen at the same time. If you still have active acne, of course, we also have lasers such as AviClear and a few other procedures that can help to reduce the actual breakout so you don't continue to get scarring. Some patients have pitted scarring, and that can look like literally somebody poked your skin with needles, or it may look more like a wider boxcar scar, which has a more defined edge to it. And those type of scars can be treated nicely with resurfacing lasers or fractional resurfacing lasers. We can also sometimes use something like TCA, which is a peeling agent, and we can put that into some of the deep pits and get those to start growing back together, the edges of the skin. And we'll often combine that maybe with later lasers, with RF microneedling, maybe with microneedling as well, and then use exosomes or PRP to get the skin to more robustly heal and get the best outcome possible. And then we have scars that are rolling hills, that are just kind of depressions in your skin. And sometimes we'll use Subcision to kind of help get that tethering to go away so that the scar has the indented area has a chance to lift up, and then we may add a little filler at the same time to restore that volume that's been lost from either the loss of collagen or even fat atrophy from where the scars caused inflammation in the skin. So those are some ways that we can treat acne scars. And we can really treat them on any part of the body safely now. So you don't have to worry about having to live with that. If you don't like them, if they're reducing your self-confidence, come in and see us.